Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how I do my makeup for Cheshire Cat from Alice in Wonderland. It's very simple, it's just a lot of pink and purple and a big kitty smile, and it's just very fun and very easy to do, and I'm just going to show you how I do it. So I actually didn't film when I thought I was filming the first part of this, but basically I just put on foundation and then I did one half of the cheek of the smile before I realized I wasn't filming. So sorry about that, but you'll see basically what I did here other than put on foundation, which is just very basic. You just slap it on your face and then you're done. But yeah, I just draw like a big banana shape almost on my face with black, and then I use white to outline where I want the teeth to be. So I don't make all the teeth exactly how they're supposed to be, I just make sort of like very short lines downwards and upwards of where I want the teeth to be. Next, with black, I'm going to outline the exact shape of the teeth, where I want them to be, where I want the gaps to be and everything. And you're just basically making sort of like V shapes on your cheeks where you want the teeth to be. Don't worry about making them perfect, and don't worry about the negative space, and definitely don't worry about making them completely symmetrical or perfect, because it's in fact a little bit more creepy if it's not symmetrical and perfect. You're just basically making teeth. So here you can see how it is with just the outline of the mouth shape and the teeth, and just basically the white parts where I wanted the teeth to be but not filled in white completely. So just basically an outline and a rough draft of what it's supposed to be. So then I'm going to fill in all the negative space with black. So the lips and the area between the upper and lower rows of teeth, and between like every tooth, because it's in a V shape, there's going to be like another V shape in the negative space between them. This step is also very, very important to make it realistic and to make the illusion real, because it just looks so much better if you actually do this than if you don't. Now that we're done with the negative space, we're just going to outline the mouth again. So the banana that we drew first, we're just going to outline it again and just make it stronger, because it will help make it more realistic. And because this is Cheshire Cat, I'm gonna make a cat nose and just a little line going from my nose to the beginning of the cat mouth. So for the nose, I'm just gonna make a small triangle with the two sides up and then the one side down, basically just, you know, a cat nose. And this time I didn't add whiskers, but I have done this look so many times before, and I have done whiskers in the past. I just didn't feel like doing it this time. I just felt like it would be better without whiskers for some reason. But the next step to make it more realistic is to just make small crinkle lines at the edges of the smile, so the very points of the smile, and around the mouth. So basically, in the banana shape, you just make small, very soft lines around mouth, just following it down and at the points, basically. So next I'm going to fill in the teeth with white, and depending on how dark your skin is, you might have to do this a few times. I am very pale, so I only had to do this about 2 times, but of course if your skin is darker, then it's going to take more paint to get them actually white, but they don't have to be like completely white. I've seen some people do them yellow, and I've even seen some girls do it in blue, which is really cool, but I don't have any like blue like snazzy like makeup paint, so I'm just gonna go with simple white. But I think it would be really cool if you did it in blue or any other color really, because Cheshire Cat has also been blue in the new Alice in Wonderland movies, even though I'm making it in purple and pink. And that's it for the smile, really. It's mostly done. I'm just going to put some color in the cheeks afterwards, but then I'm going to do my other makeup. So starting with a eyeliner, I'm just going to do a very simple like winged eyeliner and a very simple smoky eye with purple and pink. I'm going to use a purple sort of eyeliner to do my eyebrows, because I think that like purple eyebrows really just makes it a whole lot more fun. So yeah, just a lot of pink and purple, but in a smoky eye, because I feel like that opens up my eyes a lot more. So for my eye shape, I really like to do a smoky eye, just changing the colors around a bit. So I've already put on a black eyeliner, but I'm also going to put on some purple eyeshadow just underneath my eye on the waterline, just to give it an extra pop of color. And I use the Sugar Pill one because I feel like Sugar Pill just really makes the colors stay longer, and it just really makes it pop, and it's just a really nice color for the end result. So I have these 2 Sugar Pill palettes that I use for everything basically, and they're really good. Oh, and I am also dragging my eyeliner out towards my nose to create that kind of like cat eye feel. So I don't end just at my eye, I drag it out towards my nose. And then just a pink base in the corner of the smoky eyes and on the eyeliner. And then purple eyeliner again for the eyebrows, just to give them some more definition and really make that purple pop. And also make them look like actual eyebrows, you know, just make it more realistic. Next, we're going to put purple eyeshadow on top of the eyeliner that we did before, just to make it a bit more colorful and make it pop and make it stay longer as well, because I really feel like putting eyeshadow on top of your eyeliner just makes it stay on so much longer, and it keeps it from smudging, and it makes it like softer and more complete almost, just looks more finished, I think. And then just some more purple in the crease just to really make it pop and make it stronger. I just feel like putting some darker eyeshadow in your crease just makes it stronger and makes it easier to mix and just makes it better. Make sure to blend that completely so it looks soft and smooth, and then I'm going to put some pink just on the eyelid, just underneath the crease that I've done with the purple. I'm going to put white on the inner corner of my eye, towards my nose and towards the middle of the eyelid, just to blend it a bit more and make it smoother and just highlight everything so it looks more finished. And next, the dot over the eye is just a bit of white going down the bridge of my nose just to pull it all together, and some color in the points of the smile. And I make sure to blend the colors at the edge of the smile really well. And then I put some pink on my chin and also at the top of the smile and on the nose, just to blend it all together and make it all seem very put together and finished. Next, I'm going to use false lashes just to make my eyes pop a bit more and just give them some definition. This is definitely an optional step though, and it is in no way needed to make a Cheshire Cat look, and I just do it because I feel like it makes my eyes pop a bit more. But it's very easy to do this look without false lashes as well if you don't like them. So the way I put on false lashes is I take the glue and I just put it directly onto the lashes at the seam where they're going to be hitting your eye, and I put them on directly at the point where my lashes end. And I start at the outer corner and then I work my way in, and I usually use just my eyeliner or the end of a brush to just push it down and in completely towards my eye so there's no gaps or holes. I feel like that works easier than my finger. And sometimes I'll add a little extra glue if it's needed, but just basically push it gently onto your eyelid. And I just feel like it's easier to put it directly on the seam instead of just putting it on your hand and then onto the false lashes. Next, I'm going to put on some eyeliner again over the eyelashes just to hide the glue and hide the lashes at the seams, and then I'm going to put on mascara afterwards. Now if you didn't do false lashes, the next step would just be mascara, and then you're done. That's it. That's the Cheshire Cat look. I've done it before with whiskers as well, and then I just use black to draw lines from the inside of my cheeks to the outside, out towards my ears, and then I cover them with pink and or purple. And that's it, basically. That's the whole look. I hope you have a really happy Halloween, and I don't know, just have fun doing costumes and stuff. I love to cosplay and I love to make costumes and do makeup, so this is just really a lot of fun for me, and I hope you find it easy and fun to do as well, and I hope you have a good day. Thank you so much for watching. This dress, by the way, I found at a vintage store, and it's from the 50s. It's actually a real authentic dress from the 50s, and it's just so beautiful, and I was so lucky to find it, and when I found it, I just immediately thought Cheshire Cat. So that's the story behind the dress. I just really want to share that because I think it's such a beautiful dress, and I love it so much. I've used some other clothes before with Cheshire Cat, but I feel like this dress just really is perfect. And it's just a beautiful dress in general. But yeah, that's it actually. Now it's actually it. And I just hope you have a beautiful day. Thank you for watching. Bye.